Want to start flipping Pokemon cards and make a profit in 2025? Here's a simple guide to get you started. Make sure to hit that like and sub if this video helps. Step 1. Learn the basics of Pokemon cards. Before flipping, get familiar with the basics of Pokemon cards. Understand rarities like first edition, holographics, full art cards, and rare sets. These cards tend to have the most value in the market. Step 2. Research market prices. Use platforms like TCG Player and eBay to research the value of cards. Check recent sales to understand what cards are in demand and how much they're selling for. Knowing the value is key to making a profit. Step 3. Find cards to buy and flip. Start by looking for underpriced cards. Visit local game stores, garage sales, online auctions, and even Pokemon card forums. Look for deals where you can purchase rare cards for less than their market value. If this is helping so far, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more tips. Step 4. Understand card condition. Condition is everything in flipping Pokemon cards. Cards in mint or near mint condition are worth more. Make sure to inspect cards carefully for scratches, dents, or whitening on the edges, as these can lower their value. Step 5. Sell at the right time. Timing is everything. Sell your cards when demand is high, such as after a new game release, popular tournament, or when certain cards are trending. List your cards on eBay, TCG Player, or Facebook Marketplace to get the most exposure. Step 6. Use auctions for rare cards. For rare or highly sought after cards, consider using auctions. Listing your card in an auction can drive up the price if there's interest from multiple buyers, especially for limited edition or exclusive cards. That's how you can start flipping Pokemon cards in 2025. Learn the basics, research prices, buy low, and sell high to make a profit. Don't forget to hit subscribe for more tips and comment for any other how-to you might need.